Hello students, my name is Zibanas. I am handling science subject for you all of class 4th standard. So students, let's start practicing another topic, that is food health. Students, I have given all the details about this chapter. Go to the video and check out the details. Okay, let's start practicing with this chapter. So first fill up the blank. Let's go with the fill up the blanks. Let's start with the first fill up the blank. Dash is one of the nutrient that provides us energy. Which is that nutrient, students? Yes, that is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is one of the nutrients which provides us energy. Okay, then let's go with another. Second, fill up the blank. If there is a shortage of carbohydrates, one has to suffer from dash. If there is shortage of carbohydrates, what it provides? It provides energy, right? Carbohydrates provides energy. If there is a shortage of carbohydrates, one will suffer from weakness. What they will suffer? They will suffer from weakness. Okay, if there is a shortage of carbohydrates, one has to suffer from weakness. What they have to suffer? They have to suffer from weakness. Let's go with another fill up the blank. Dash provides more energy than carbohydrates. What does it provide? Fats. Fats is one of the nutrients. They provide more energy than the carbohydrate. Okay, fats provides more energy than the carbohydrates. Fats provides more energy than the carbohydrates. Next, fill up the blank. Dash and dash are rich in mineral salts and vitamins. These are the things, that is fruits and vegetables. They are rich in minerals, salts and vitamins. They are rich in minerals, salts and vitamins. Then let's go with the next, that is dash protects skin, our heart and digestive system. What does it provide? That is vitamin B. Vitamin B protects our skin, our heart and digestive system. Protects skin, heart and our digestive system. Next, fill up the blank. Dash is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Which is this disease? That is night blindness. The person cannot see at the night. So this disease is called as night blindness. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. It is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Next, dash is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D causes a disease called as rickets. What it causes? That is deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease called as rickets. Next, once insects or animals touches the food item, it becomes dash. What it becomes? It becomes contaminated. That is dirty. It becomes contaminated. Once the insects or animals touches the food items, it becomes, that is contaminated. These are the few fill up the blanks that you have to learn, students. Write it in your classwork book. Learn it perfectly. Okay, so let's go with another question. So, let's go with another bit, that is match the following. Here I have given few match the followings, that is first is contaminated food. Contaminated food, how it will become contaminated? When insects touches the food, it is contaminated food. Then vitamin C protects our teeth and gum. What it does? It protects our teeth and gum. Vitamin B causes a disease called as beriberi. What it is? It causes a disease called as beriberi. Next, protein helps in the growth. Protein helps in the growth. Corn, ragi, honey, they are rich food for the carbohydrates. They are rich food in carbohydrates. They provide carbohydrates. Corn, ragi, honey, they are rich in carbohydrates. Okay. Then next, fruits with edible skin. Fruits with edible skin, they are rich in fibrous. Fruits with edible skin, they are rich in fibrous. They helps for excretion. Okay. So I will tell once more. Contaminated food, insects touches the food, it becomes contaminated. Vitamin C protects our teeth and gum. Vitamin B, it is cause a disease called as beriberi. Protects proteins, helps in growth. Corn, ragi, honey, it is rich in carbohydrates. Then fruits with edible skin, it is rich in fibrous. Okay. These are the few fill up the blanks that you have to learn. Write it in your class workbook. Okay. Then let's go with another bit, that is answer the following in one sentence. You have to answer in one sentence. Name the nutrient which provides us growth. Growth is provided with one of the nutrient called as proteins. What it is called? It is called as proteins. Students, what are the nutrients? Yes, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and salts, vitamins. These all are what they are. They are called as proteins. Sorry, they are called as nutrients. One of the nutrients which provides us growth is proteins. One of the nutrient which provides us growth is proteins. Let's go with another question. What does the shortage of carbohydrates in our body causes? It causes, that is, weakness. What it causes? It causes weakness to our body. Name one protein rich food. One protein rich food is your fish. Fish is one of the food which is rich in protein. Okay. Then let's go with another question. What is the deficiency of vitamin A called? The deficiency of vitamin A is called night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin A causes the disease called as night blindness. Night blindness. What does the vitamin D provides us? Vitamin D protects our bones and teeth. Vitamin D, what it protects? It protects our bone and teeth. What is the deficiency of vitamin C called? If there is a deficiency of vitamin C, we will suffer from the disease called as scurvy. We'll suffer from the disease called as scurvy. Okay. Then name one vitamin D item. The vitamin D item is, one of the vitamin D item is cod liver oil. What it is? Cod liver oil. The oil which is coming from the fish oil is called as cod liver oil. It is rich in vitamin D. What it is? It is rich in vitamin D. Which is the nutrient which which gives protection to our body? Which is the nutrients which gives protection to our body? Yes, minerals, salts and vitamins are the nutrients which provides the protection to our body. They gives the protection to our body. Then these are the few one-line answers. You have to learn it perfectly. Write it in your class workbook, which is very helpful for your FA and essay. Okay, learn it properly. Okay. See, one more time I will repeat, that is name the nutrients which provides us growth, that is protein. Shortage of carbohydrates causes weakness. Protein rich food is fish. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Vitamin D provides us, vitamin D helps us to protect bones and teeth. Vitamin C causes scurvy. Name one vitamin D item, that is cod liver oil. One more I will tell you, that is a sun rays. The sun rays gives us vitamin D. Then which is the nutrients which gives a protection to our body? That is minerals, salts and vitamins. Okay. Let's go with another bit, that is answer the following. This is large answers. Okay. What is the disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, B, C and D? See, vitamin A, deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Night blindness means what? One cannot see in the dim light. Vitamin B causes a disease called as beriberi, that is accumulation of water in the leg muscles, legs, muscle pains, respiration, heart problems. These are caused by disease that is beriberi. Vitamin C, it causes scurvy. Vitamin D, it causes rickets. Okay. Disorders of bones, bald legs is vitamin D. Scurvy means that is soft, and bleeding gums, swollen legs is scurvy. Okay, this is one answer. Let's go with another question. What are fibrous foods, and what does they help us? Beans, radish, leafy vegetables, fruits with edible skin like apple and guava, and cereals, they are rich in fibers. They help in excretion. What they do? They help in excretion. They are fibrous food. Fibrous food, that is food with their covering we eat. That fruits are apple and guava. They help in excretion. They are called as fibrous foods. Then next, how can we preserve the food items? We need to preserve our food item because the food becomes contaminated if the insects touches the food. So how we will protect? We should always cover the food with plate to avoid the insects sitting on them. What we should do to avoid insects sitting on them? We should cover the food with a plate or something else. Okay. Then the vessels in which we store water for drinking or cooking should be covered. The vessels which we store water for drinking or cooking, which should be covered. Otherwise, if it is not covered, what happens? Some insects will enter, dust will enter, the water will become contaminated. Okay, we have to cover. Then hands should be washed before eating the food. You have to wash your hands before eating the food. We shouldn't eat stale food. You should wash the vegetables before eating them. Stale food means what? Like this raw food. Like you directly take a food and you eat it. That is, you should not eat. You should wash the fruits and vegetables, then eat them. Okay. These are the few question answers that you have to learn, which is very helpful for your FAs and essays. Learn it perfectly, students. I have given limited questions. Okay, so learn it properly, write it, submit it whenever I say. Okay, hope you understood this. So take care. Bye, students.